So why to waste time? I'll start applying it on my face and I'll let you know how it feels after using it. I have already washed my face with the face cleanser and I've used lukewarm water for the same as written on the box. It's a very beautiful box. I really like the packaging. I will moist. I'll go and wash my face and I'll tell you how it feels with my face. And I can see a lot of difference in my skin. It's so very clear. You can see the difference in my skin. It's very clear. I can feel the skin is very smooth, and I'll be applying it for another 3 months. Since I have got this scrub as a part of 3 months before the wedding pack, but you can take it individually. I mean, it's available on the website. The cost is around, it's $12.95. It's a bit costly, but it's worth a try, as I have read good reviews. It's being used by big celebrities also. If you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe to my channels, as I'll be reviewing more products. All the to-be brides, I already have shared one video, that is Kama Ayurveda 3 months before the wedding pack. It's a regime which is for brides, and it has three amazing products. So I think you should go and try once. Please, I am posting the link of that video below. Go and check that, and bye bye. See you in the next video.